Welcome back to another Maintenance Monday. Your host, Maintenance Mike, is going to kind of go over with you programming your remote control to your garage door opener. Sometimes you might even have that little special button inside your car. We're going to consider this that button inside your car. So right now that button doesn't work. It's not going to allow me to open up the door. I'm going to show you real quick how to program this button right here. So at the bottom of your opener, you're going to have a button right here. It's called program. I'm going to push that program button until a light pops on over here. Well, I don't know if you can see that, Andrew, but that light kicked on there. Now I'm going to go back to my remote. I'm going to push that button on the remote. That light up there, when it goes off, turns to that blue. I'm going to hit it again. And now I've just programmed that door opener to work off of that button, okay? So in review, we're going to go back here, and what I've done is I push the program button here. When I push the program button, a blue light comes on, and then a purple light starts blinking there. I'm going to go back to my button. I'm going to hit that button a couple times. It's going to learn that frequency, and then it's going to trigger that door to open and close again. Okay? Hope that's helped you. Next Monday, you know it, I'll have another tip. So join me again next Monday. Bye now.